So how do you lower the camera light on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so the camera light or the exposure, when you are inside of the camera, can be dialed down by clicking or focusing on some place on on the photo like that, and you can dial it down by sliding the finger. So you can see there's this like sun icon, and you can bump it up or down, and this is how you can just lower the light. As I said, it's like the exposure within the camera. Okay, it is using the built-in camera, so it gets the job done. However, there are some more advanced camera applications, especially if you use it for video recording, like for example the Final Cut camera, where you can see we have more things to play with, like the white balance is kind of important. You can also see we have the manual controls for the exposure right here, and more things depends on your like camera setup in your specific iPhone model, but you get to manage all of those things in here. So the point is that with more professional camera, you have more controls, right? So using the built-in one, it works, but if you need more, just download some professional camera app from the App Store, and you'll be able to control your footage and photos with more precision. So let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the next upcoming video. So stay tuned, and I'll see you later.